Hey guys, hope you're doing okay. Today I want to go over the third conditional, and before you even start listening to this, you should definitely put on the English subtitles because I might speak a little quickly and I want you to understand everything. So the third conditional is used basically when we talk about two actions that happened in the past. Maybe they didn't happen, maybe they did happen, but you need to remember that we have this line. This is the present. This is the past. This is the future. And I'm talking about two actions right here. This is the first action. This is the second action. Now, we're going to use a past perfect form to formulate this. You're going to use the condition saying, if I, for example, had lived in Jamaica, I would have had Jamaican friends. The second structure is would have plus the verb 3. If I had lived in Mexico when I was younger, you have to remember, younger when I was younger means I was a young boy, maybe 13 years old. And if I had lived in Mexico, which I didn't live in, if I had lived, you know what? Maybe I would have spoken Spanish when I was a young boy. Or maybe I would have danced salsa. I don't know. But that's the point here. You're saying things that might have happened, could have happened, should have happened. You know, maybe you went for an interview and you didn't get it. So, for example, I went to the interview and I didn't get the job. You know, if I had said the right thing, maybe I would have gotten the job. Maybe I would have gotten the job. But again, maybe none of these things happened. So, because the first action was I didn't say the right thing, and the second action, which is the result, was I didn't get the job. But if I had said the right thing, I would have gotten the right job. Now, I hope that kind of helped you out. Again, you're going to have to practice with this. And that's why I made another video. And if you want, you can go right to it right from here. I just put it out. It's brand new. I apologize for not making such a big deal about, my intro and everything. I've just been really busy, but I definitely want to get the content out there to you and help people in the world. So if you liked the video, press like. If you want, subscribe, leave some comments, and I'm really looking forward to you. And let me know if you want more videos like this where I just do a little grammar lesson and send you on your way. So until the next time, bye for now.